Hello, my name is Paul Furbringer, and I am with the Society Insurance Risk Control Department. The goal of our department is to help reduce the chance of an accidental loss happening to your business and to help provide you with resources to help your business continue to run smoothly. Today we will be discussing the importance of preventing trips, slips, and falls in your business with proper floor cleaning procedures. There are 3 areas of floor cleaning we will be reviewing to help evaluate your cleaning procedures. These include mops, cleaning chemicals, and cleaning procedures. Mops are the easiest area to address. My customers are always asking me if they really need 2 mops and 2 mop buckets. I respond with the same word, absolutely. You need 1 mop for the front of the house and 1 for the back of the house. You don't want to bring a greasy mop from the back of the house to the front of the house that could actually make the floors more slippery. You can color code the mops for the front of the house and the back of the house so the employees know the difference. Make sure to identify which color mop is for what area and add this to your employee training program. Put a sign in the mop sink storage area as a reminder as well. Next, we need to determine what cleaning chemicals to use. 3 basic types of cleaning chemicals include all-purpose cleaners, degreasers, and enzyme-based cleaners. The best way to determine what you need for each area of your business is to have your janitorial supply representative visit your business to evaluate your needs. Typically, all-purpose cleaners work best for the front of the house. Degreasers and enzyme-based cleaners are best for the back of the house. It is critical that you read and follow the directions on the cleaning products container label for important information on how much of the product to use and what temperature the water should be. If you have a pre-mixer available, simply calibrate for the type of cleaners being used. If the cleaning product is not mixing properly, it will not work properly on the floors. An example is using an enzyme-based cleaning product. These products need to be used with cold water only. Hot water kills the enzymes which are designed to eat the dirt and grease buildup. Again, work with your janitorial supply company to get the correct products for your needs throughout your business. Now that we have the correct mop for the correct area and the proper mix of cleaning solution for the area to be cleaned, the final step is to clean and mop the floors. Always begin by sweeping the area before mopping. Getting the loose dirt and grime means you won't be spreading it right back on the floor as you mop. It is best to wet mop floors when your business and/or customer traffic volume is lightest. Put up your caution wet floor signs to alert employees and customers to the wet floor. You should be wet mopping instead of dry mopping. This allows the cleaning product to soak into the dirt and grime to loosen it up. Let your cleaning solution soak in for at least 5 minutes. After it is soaked in for at least 5 minutes, grab a stiff bristle deck brush and scrub for 5 to 10 minutes to loosen up the tough grease. Use clean, fresh water and a damp mop to remove any remaining grease and cleaning solution. Use a squeegee or wet vac to remove any remaining water. That's all it takes to properly clean and mop your floors. These signs are available through your risk control representative to hang in your business near the mop bucket as a reminder. We also have a taped webinar called Preventing Slips and Falls with Proper Floor Care Procedures on our website for a more detailed training on floor cleaning procedures. Simply go to Society Insurance website, click on the Education tab, click on the Webinars tab, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on View Webinar Library. Thanks for taking the time to review this floor cleaning program. Remember, clean floors can prevent slips and falls in your business.